Well, I've done a bit more. Well, done a bit more in the RB today. Changed the fuel filters, and I've been doing a bit more rubbing down on the body panels. She's got a new set of filters now. The others weren't brilliant. They took off. They were a bit grotty, but yeah, she's getting there now. Stripped all that back today, right over that section, so it's just the back, this right hand side to do, and another good go with the cab engine block. Yeah, I decided to take the runners at the top up there. Some of the bolts are missing anyway, so I'm going to take the rest of them out, drop that down, give that a really good cleaning, and the idea is to put the refurbished roller section back in the bottom, drop those in, put that all back on the top, so it might be easier actually to using gravity to hold them in the grooves, and do it that way. I think it's only that bolt's hanging off. There's 1, 2, 3 missing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to remove. See, 6 bolts, nuts and bolts. So you might as well do that. But starting to warm a bit now, starting to flag a bit now. But the cleaning's taking shape. It's just a lot of work. I've been working on the seat at home. I took the original seat into upholsterers in Cardiff, but it's just full of excuses, I think, to not do the job's impression I got. So what I did, I found a class 37 seat, or a class 37 locomotive. So I've strengthened it, and I fit the runners to it. But the only bits left now is about the other section of roof there. I got to do some repairs over there on that section of the roof, clean up the back of this bit. But I've done a fair bit today, and she's looking a bit better already. Done all that there, look. So I've got this little device. I'm going to water supply close by. So there's a little. I should be getting sponsored for this. It's a Karcher which folds into it down to that much. Karcher pressure washer. You charge it up off a. See what I mean? So if you're watching this video, Mr. Karcher, I think you should give me some sponsorship. It's okay. Be ideal for cleaning up mountain bikes or whatever. So well, that's it for now anyway. I'm going to start wrapping up now. So get back home now. As you see, I've redone the battery cables. I got the oil filter to change there, and it's getting on. I reckon it's going to be maybe 2/3 done of the way I want it. But if you look up there, see all that all's there going to be sorted out. So at the moment I'm trying to decide either to tack plate it, or put a plate on and tack weld it. So I'm contemplating what to do there. But that's it for now anyway, so till next time.